Noon, here we go. 21 Bowman's best baseball for Ben. He says, give me a duel like John had. Let's see it. Or a Wander, big Wander Chrome. Or Wander autograph. We haven't hit a Wander autograph yet either.
Hello. Thank you.
Good luck, Ben. Or a super or red would be nice too. Here we go. Joe Adele, Henry Davis, Refractor, Tatis Refractor. Oh, nice there, Brian Hayes. Probably one of the better rookie autographs. Harry Ford, Gleyber Torres, Trout, Bobby Dahlbeck, that's nice too, 120 of 150. Blue Refractor, Carlos Camarance for the Rays. Alec Bowman Refractor. Atomic. Apostle base auto. Oh, that's nice. Juan Soto Atomic Masterpieces. Bobby Witt Jr., 125 of 199 Lava. Ben, very nice. Lava Future Vibrance, Colton Cowser. High draft pick for the Orioles. Those have an incredible effect. 28 of 50. Or 23 of 50. And a Wander Refractor to end on. Congrats, Ben. Here's the base.
I'm not committed to these personalities. I don't think they'll work together. I think they'll burn hot. But they won last night, and they crushed a Chicago team that everybody was falling in love with, which is a good regular season team, but they don't have the stars to be a playoff team. But it's fun watching them because they are classic. They're going to have high production values, drama. You know, if they lose, Kyrie and Steve Nash will probably get fired. Kyrie will get shipped out of town. There are teams that have value, and there are teams in the series that just have
Nice, Ben. Good box, definitely.